segment is sponsored by Scott Hale Plumbing, Drains, Heating and Air. All right, pop quiz. When was the last time you changed your air filter in your home? Well, Tyler is here with some tips that can help improve the air quality in your home. Welcome to the show, Tyler.
Hey, thanks so much for having me.
We're so glad to have you. Now, in this state, we talk a lot about air quality, right? But I never thought about the air quality in our home. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so air quality in your home can actually be quite a bit dirtier than outside because the air gets trapped inside and it's just circulating throughout the house all day. So it can actually be up to 10 times dirtier inside than outside.
And
yeah.
Because we always hear if it's like gross outside, stay inside your homes, but you could be actually
it could be worse.
Okay.
But there's a lot of things you can do to remedy that.
And that's why you're here,
right,
to save us all from the dirty air in our homes. What can we be doing?
So changing your filters often is important. Manufacturers would recommend changing your filters every month. Would be ideal, but at my house, it definitely doesn't get changed every month.
Okay, I appreciate that being realistic with us, because
right.
I'm trying to think, where is my air filter right now? It probably hasn't been changed in a long time.
Right, yeah, so if you don't remember every month, every other month is kind of about the furthest we would go, but for sure you want to change it more than once a year. I mean, we go into people's houses all the time and they're like, yeah, we had it changed last year when you were here. And we're like, well, let's do it again, but in between this time and next time, maybe let's try.
And how hard is it for somebody like me that doesn't even know where their air filter is? Can I learn how to do this?
For sure, super easy. I mean, once you know where it is, we'll definitely show you where it is and show you how to do it, and then after that, it's super easy. And
then we'll have cleaner air, so a lot of people, that's going to be healthier, but I think more people get on board when they learn that it will save you money as well, right?
Absolutely, yeah, because if you've got a clogged filter, the air can't get through it, so it's like trying to breathe through a straw. It's hard on your equipment, hard on efficiency, and just wears things down and creates a lot of extra dust in your house too.
So how often should we be getting maintenance on our furnace, on the air filters, all this kind of stuff?
Manufacturers, again, would recommend getting maintenance done every year on your equipment. So we would always recommend doing a furnace tune-up every year as well as an air conditioning tune-up every year. Right now, if you guys call during this segment before the end of the week, we'll actually do a free furnace tune-up for you.
Oh, that's incredible. So make sure you call that number right now, because there are so many benefits of having a professional come through your home. You can end up saving a lot of money because you can maintain things instead of having to buy a whole new unit, right?
100%. Plus, when we're going through it, we're going to do a full inspection, go through everything, make sure everything's running the best it can. But also, if we see something that might become an issue, we'll let you know about that, so that next winter in January, when it's 2 degrees outside, you're not calling us because you're broke.
That's always when the furnace goes out. It's
right.
Never in the summer. It's always at the worst time. Where can we go for more information to get one of your guys up at our house? So we can make sure
so scotthale.com is a great way, or you can also call 801-264-HALE.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Tyler. Thanks for helping us have cleaner air and save some money today.
Absolutely. Happy to do it.